Hi everyone. My name is Alta Murray, and we are here on how to internet. Today we will be looking at Instagram and covering how to set up an account and post a picture. And that's one of its many features that Instagram has. So I'm gonna open it up. Sign up to Instagram, and then it will look like this. I'm gonna use my number. And my full name. And my username will be, and my password, but it's not working. I'm gonna sign up. And so since it went through, which I'm glad it did, so this won't be a part of your public profile. No. Let's see and try it anyway. Just put random dates on it. Okay. Okay, so next. So before I keep going, I'm just gonna tell you a little bit about Instagram. Instagram is a free app that you can access on your phone or on your computer, and it is recommended for the age of 18 and up. And if you're younger, you need to be under parental supervision, right? And so Instagram is originally independent, now functions under Facebook. One of its many features of this result that you can link your account together and post to Instagram and Facebook at the same time. And so now we are here. So enter 6-digit code for you to send. Oh, they send it to me. Just a minute. Okay. So they will send you a verification, and it will go through your phone, and then you have to type it in just to confirm. Okay. You can allow. Okay, so this is it now. There's a lot of people wanting to follow. There's celebrities here. So remember that if you don't know them, you don't need to follow them. But there's a lot of celebrities. You can follow music. I follow the Kardashians. It's just, I don't know. I find them amusing. And I do have a lot of my friends. So I do have another Instagram account, but that one is more private that I don't want to show. So we can go home. Let's see. So profile, you can create your own profile. So I'm gonna edit it, but I would like to put a picture up because that's why we are here. And then go on my photos. And there's lots of it. There's one I like to use. Sorry, there's a lot of pictures here. There. And then this is how you post your pictures. And if you want to post more pictures, you can always just go and add more. So you can always send messages to whomever on your group, or there's so many things that you can play, and you can search your favorite. Could be animals, a place of destinations. There's a lot of many things you can do in the internet. But remember that no matter what you place on Instagram, if you place it on Instagram first, it will automatically appears on Facebook if you have the buttons on for that switch. Okay. And then so posting image to Instagram is just one of its many features. It also has a capacity to record videos and live stream. Instagram is a great tool for sharing information, whether it is highlights of your life, teaching others about your craft, or getting the word out about your business, among many other things. Ideally, Instagram is for the age of 18 years old and older, as the internet can be a dangerous place. Anyone younger should only do so under supervision. And its many safety features. It is the internet. Anyone has access when using Instagram. It is good to make your account private so people cannot automatically follow and contact you. Making it private allows you to screen people before allowing them to follow. I would recommend this because it can connect you to everyone. It can be a distressor. It's good for online businesses to promote anything that you are interested in, and many more. You can follow your favorite celebrities and general interest. Thank you guys. Have a good day.